Hello friends, I am Professor Vagmani PR. Today we can discuss the topic on crop production technology of forage or fodder cowpea. First of all, we can see the botanical name of fodder cowpea, that is Vigna unguiculata or the Vigna sinensis, and the family belongs to, that is Leguminosae. And the origin of the forage or fodder cowpea is from Africa and India. Next point, that is uses of forage cowpea, that is cowpea is popularly known as lobia. Then cowpea is the quick growing leguminous forage crop, and it is important leguminous fodder crop during summer and the rainy season due to its quick growing, high yielding and the high protein content. Then it is an important source of protein and forms an excellent mixture with the sorghum, maize, bajra and the Teoscinet, and it can also fed with the green or the converted into good quality hay, and also can be conserved in the form of silage when mixed with the cereal fodders like sorghum, maize or the bajra. Then it is usually grown mixed with the cereal fodders and the grasses to improve the nutritive value of these herbage. And forage cowpea contains 20 to 24% crude protein and 43 to 49% neutral detergents like fiber, and the 34 to 37% acid detergent fibers, and the 23 to 25% cellulose and the 5 to 6% hemicellulose on the dry wet basis. The digestibility of the fodder cowpea is above 70%, and the cowpea can be grown under the partial shaded conditions. These are the uses of forage cowpea. Next point, that is toxicity. In terms of the toxicity, the crop of the cowpea is free from every type of toxicity. The cyanogen contents do not exceed. This is a cyanogen which is present in the cowpea seed that are not effects on the health of the animals. It will be do not exceed, that is should be the limit, that is 2 milligram in the 100 gram of seed. Next point, that is soil and climate. Especially for the growing for the requirement of soil for the forage cowpea, it can grow on the variety of soils. The deep, fertile and well-drained soils are the best for cultivation of forage cowpea. Then saline, alkali or the waterlogged soils should be avoided due to its effects on its root nodulation activity and also the growth of the crop. Then plants prefer light soils then the heavy soils. Then the loamy and sandy loam soils is, with good drainage are the most suitable for good crop growth, and the pH range should be 5 to 6.5. Then climate, in terms of climate requirement, fodder crop is the best suitable for the especially the moderate humid areas of the tropics and the subtropics, and the plant can not withstand under the frost or excessive heat and prolonged water logging, and the optimum temperature required for the growth of these forage crop, especially that is in case of cowpea, that is 25 to 30 degree Celsius. Next point, that is field preparation. Cowpea that is requires one plowing followed by two to three harrowing operations, and the flankings are sufficient to get good seed bed. The crop cannot tolerate under the longer water stagnation, hence the good drainage facility is important. Next point, the varieties, especially the forage or fodder cowpea. The important varieties are EC4216, then Russian Giant, then IGFRI 457, then CO1, then FOS1, then MPK-1, then K-397, then NP-3, then Sveta. These are the varieties of the fodder cowpea. You can see here the photographs of EC4216, then Russian Giant, then IGFRI 457, and then Sveta. Next one, seeds and sowing. In terms of the forage or fodder cowpea, the seed rate required for per hectare, that is 35 to 40 kg, and the spacing required, that is 30 by 10 or the 40 by 10 centimeter, and the sowing time, that is June to July. Sowing depth 3 to 4 centimeter. Then sowing methods. Broadcasting is the more popular method for especially the fodder or the forage crops cultivation. The seed treatment, in terms of seed treatment, before sowing the cowpea seeds are treated with the fungicide like Thiram or Captan at the rate of 3 gram per kg. It helps to the seed as well as soil borne diseases. And the fertilizers like Rhizobium at the rate of 25 gram per kg of seeds helps to enhance the nitrogen fixation by symbiotically and also improve the germination of the seed. Then water nutrient management or the fertilizer requirement. In terms of the manual requirement, that is 10 tons of FOM or compost per hectare should be applied during the final land preparation or before 1 month of sowing. And recommended dose of fertilizer, that is 20 40 20 kg NPK per hectare, and application of this chemical fertilizer, that is full dose of PNK, and the also nitrogen should be applied at the time of sowing. Next one, the water management. In terms of the water management, the cowpea or the forage cowpea or fodder cowpea is generally grown under Kharif season. Hence, it does not require irrigation except in case of long dry spell, in which the crops should be irrigated at an interval of 10 to 12 days. But the summer season, the crops require 6 to 7 irrigations at 8 to 10 days interval. Next point, that is weed management. In terms of weed, there is a in general, the Kharif season crops are densely infested with weeds due to the conducive situation for the growth. And in cowpea, especially, the weed problem is severe in early stages. After 30 days, the crop covers the land area, and thus problems of the weed infestation is minimized. And it requires one weeding and or the one hand weeding or hoeing with the weeder cum mulcher at 3 weeks crop stage is effective for the checking out the weed growth. Next point, that is harvesting and yield. As the fodder cowpea is ready for harvest after 70 to 75 days, when the first pod have just developed, and then delay in harvesting decreases the protein content and increases the crude fiber. In cut management, the first cut should be taken after 50 to 55 days at 15 centimeter above the ground level, and the second is thereafter they taken, that is 40 to 45 days. In 3 cut management, the first cut is should be taken, that is after 45 to 50 days, and thereafter 25 to 30 days. And the fodder yield, especially in the forage cowpea or fodder cowpea, it will get that is 300 to 350 quintal per hectare under the multi-cut system. This is today's topic about the crop production technology of forage or fodder cowpea. Thank you.